5 foods that should be your breakfast every morning. Number 1. Oatmeal. The most important meal of the day is breakfast, as it provides us with the energy we need throughout the day. And this is particularly true if you start your day with oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, tocotrieonols, selenium, phenolic, and phytic acid. It helps reduce your bad cholesterol levels and lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It boosts your immune system. Oatmeal also helps you control your blood sugar levels and lowers the risk of developing diabetes type 2. Number 2. Nuts or nut butter. Getting a nutritious breakfast can be seriously difficult when you have a busy day planned. If you typically feel rushed in the morning, reach for a handful of walnuts or toast with a slick of almond butter. Nuts are loaded with healthy fats and a good amount of protein, so they'll keep you feeling satisfied for hours. Try sprinkling some on a bowl of oatmeal or throw together a fast trail mix with some dried fruit. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Yogurt is loaded with calcium and boasts plenty of protein, nearly twice as much as regular yogurt, to keep you feeling full throughout the morning. It burns fat because it takes more energy to digest. Number 4. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk tastes great, is good for you, and boosts energy. Chocolate should basically be its own food group. Not only is it good with everything, but it also provides nutrients that can help your body to feel more awake. Cocoa has natural caffeine and will help to maintain blood sugar levels longer when paired with calcium-rich protein. Plus, there are tons of things to mix in to maximize the awesomeness. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs deliver protein. Compared to carbohydrates and fat, protein keeps you satisfied longer. Eggs also contain a significant amount of good cholesterol, HDL, which can reduce the risks of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Egg yolks provide a rich source of biotin, which is essential for thick hair, vibrant, youthful skin.